Here's a quick video about a custom AI agent that we created for matching requests for quotes. We recently had a construction client, who I'll refer to as Acme Fence for this video, that had two managers spending almost all of their time sorting through bid requests in one email inbox. Now, every time that an email is sent to that inbox, we are auto-forwarding them into Salesforce, where our agent pulls out project names, dates, specs, and then spins up the right opportunities or accounts tied to this bid request record. You can see each new case here with all the key info front and center has been populated before anyone even opens them, which helped them cut handling time by about 75% to allow those managers to focus on other business needs. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the original email that was sent in. What our AI does is it first scrapes through this to pull out key information like phone numbers, contractor accounts, dates, and project information for how can we understand what this job is. Then we have the summary fields at the top that it populates. So here it put in the Summit Ridge contractors along with a short summary of the opportunity that it should match to. So after it has those key details, it can go through and take the first pass at matching to what we already have in Salesforce. Looks like it matched to this opportunity that's already in the qualification stage and to this current GC contractor that we have under our accounts. If we click edit, we can change the opportunity that it matched to by a manual change on the opportunity lookup. We can create a record in Salesforce using some of the suggested values that the agent has pulled from that email, or we can relaunch the opportunity matcher, which I'll show in a second. So here I put in the wrong opportunity. And when I go to revisit it, I can hit relaunch opportunity matcher. The agent has to think for a second, but then it populates the correct opportunity. The account functions the same way. Let's say that this Summit Ridge Contractors was not an account in our system. We can populate with the details that was pulled from email. Once everything looks good, we can approve this case and close and move on to the next email. This one looks like it's for the same opportunity, but for a different account. It looks like it has the account correct, and it does look like it should be tied to this Meadowview Apartments opportunity. So we'll go ahead and approve and close this case. The last case we have here looks like it's actually a follow-up for the first one that we were looking at. So we can just approve and close and see what it does. We still have access to records that are tied to it, and you can see the bid request record that was created for each of these individual emails. If we click this link to go to the opportunity, we've got a dedicated tab for these bid requests. This is a challenge that we see a lot with our subcontractors because the standard out-of-the-box Salesforce setup can cause them to double, triple, or even quadruple count these bid requests across multiple opportunities. But this agent automatically puts them all into one single opportunity so that we can get an accurate view of potential revenue without duplications. And since we have all that relevant information about the GC accounts that are tied to this opportunity, we can use that to roll up into our opportunity score. For example, if all of my jobs that I have with Heritage Commercial are really successful, then that can be reflected on our opportunity score, which would help our estimators and our leadership prioritize opportunities.
If your company is facing similar challenges, let Kelley Austin help you unlock your potential with Salesforce plus AI solutions. From formal projects to ongoing managed services, we're here to guide you every step of the way.